Hi guys, today I'm doing a room tour 2024. Well, this will be the last room tour until I just wanted to do the room tour because a lot of stuff has changed. I'll do one after Christmas, maybe in January for 2025. So let's get into it. Since my room has changed so much, we're going to do it. Let's do it. I still have all the same stickers. Most of them. I've added a few more. I have some posters. I got the Dead poster that used to be on my wall. There's a new one. Need money, get a job. And we have a Dead poster over here. Jerry Lives. I think that was there last time. Got my jerseys. This is the same pile of clothes from last room tour. Haven't even had to move it. Chiefs, Syracuse Chiefs, Josh Allen, Syracuse Crunch, New York Rangers, How to Drive in Israel. That poster I just got on Friday. It's I don't know when it's from. It has to be from the late 70s, early 80s. Syracuse Nationals 2024. That was my last video. It was my uncle's from 97, I think. The Ozzy poster. Okay. We have kind of a mess on the bed. So that is something that was just on top of my shelf. Same with all this stuff. Those are on my shelves. We have the 72 Ouija board and this. Oh, this is from 2021. I got it when I was 8. Still in mint condition. I have 2 of them, that's why. The other one I got for Hanukkah. If you're Jewish, happy Hanukkah and free days. If you're Catholic, Merry Christmas and Fat days. I'm both, so ha. This has been almost pretty much all my room tours. This is the place where I put all this stuff that's important to me and want to keep. So one thing is, I have these. So let's start with the first one I got. So I was digging in my grandma's attic, same place where I got that and that. So I found this roll of posters. I didn't know what it was. I opened it up, saw this one. Right there, I had to fix it. It's Alfie. Michael Caine. And the first one I really noticed was that one. That's my Professor Walt Disney. I saw it was a Disney World poster. So look at that. And I bring this down with a bunch of other stuff. I say 5-year-old me would love this Pink Panther poster. When I was 5, I was obsessed with it. And the next day I got these 2 posters. I didn't put them up for a while because after that I got sick. I'm still kind of sick because I was just sick on Thursday. Then we have the Hexen poster, my Chiefs poster. Okay, this is new. It's Andre Agassi collage. Marskin collage. And I got a map. I just got this on Friday. Same with that How to Drive in Israel poster. It's a map of the world. The world according to Ronald Reagan. So there's that. We have my nightstand, which hasn't changed. That just fell. We have my dresser, TV, my fish, pet. We have my TV, Pretty in Pink, Pat Bantard, old magazine. That was from I don't remember what it was. Best of the Worst. I think it was Mork and Mindy 2020. 2. And then we have Dead. Then we got this Guns N' Roses poster, that one. We got the choices. See, there's no shelf over here. We have Syracuse Crunch, New York Rangers, and Elvis poster. This used to be there. We get my Buffalo Sabres, my gun rack they've turned into a tape rack. Shelf, there will be stuff on it soon, but the Christmas had to plug it in. Some wire fell. Here's my desk, big mess. My punching bag, my Arnold poster that used to be above my bed, my other dresser. My shelf. I got my trophy. Well, my ribbon. And that's my trophy. That's just swimming stuff. And some box cards, South Park stuff. I got a GPK poster, jerseys. Now here's where it has changed a lot. My shelf. We got Gallagher, Adam Boom, Melissa. I have an Eddie poster up there. Now let's look at. So we have an Andrew Dice. This is just a Cabbage Patch doll that I put some stickers on. Make an Andrew Dice, Garbage Pail Kid. Then we have the old folder. The wrapper to Kids That Play. Then we have, there's this fat orange cat that looks like Garfield, so I just filled up a shirt. Make it fit. Then we got, these are the Cat Blast and Hot Wheels. I need to find the cars. Here's where it really changed. We have there's a mix of vintage and modern toys of the era. We have the original Galvatron, original Metroplex, original Ultra Magnus, original Jetfire, this Double Dare toy. This is not vintage details. Then these are all vintage. Except for just the potato head and the burger. None of these are vintage. That's vintage. That's not. Vintage, not vintage, not vintage, not vintage. Vintage, original. And we have original Voltrons. Not okay. That's not vintage. That's not that. None of the Micro Machines are. No, that's not, and that's not. And that duck isn't. Let's go down to my stereo. We have a bunch of old floppies in there. Some not tapes, records. Some mugs. My collection. Then we have my boombox. Some books. So over here, still have the outside. The only thing on this new shelf are these plushes. So, not much. It's like the shelves and the poster arrangements have changed. But, that was my room tour. The last room tour, 2024. And let's look at one last look at the door. No stupid be on this point, and boom.